Good morning. How are you guys? I'm fine. Uh, yeah. It's a laundry day. And we are at the coin laundromat. Woo! Yay! Oh boy. Yeah. Well, okay. So I was gonna do it at my friend's house. Marlene, and they were going to be fishing today, but apparently they're not going to go, so I didn't feel like fighting with Sammy because he loves to bark in their house because he hears his echo because they don't have anything on the wall. So no rugs, or they have wood floor, no paintings and crap on the wall like a lot of people do. And so his bark echoes, and I cannot take it, and he will not shut up. I don't know what happened, but he just started barking all of a sudden. So it would take me 3 hours to do my laundry at their house. So I said, hell with this. I'm not going to fight Sammy. I'm just going to go to the laundromat, do my thing, and all will be right with the world. So I get here. First I have to find, all my change and stuff because I've used it all. Every time I get a soda from McDonald's because it's the cheapest around, I grab my change out of my side door here, and I pretty well depleted it. So looking for change, and I go in there and make sure I can get soap because I didn't stop at Dollar General. And so I went in there. I thought, good. I'll put all my clothes in, get my change. The changer worked, but the soap didn't. None of the soap dispenser things worked. So I'm thinking, oh man, I really don't want to take all this out. And so I asked some lady, I said, can I buy some soap from you? And she says, oh honey, you don't have to buy it from me. I'll give you some. So she was very nice and gave me a load full, to do a load of clothes. And she said, that's okay, if you come back and I'm here and I need something, then you can help me out. I said, hey, it works. So I finally got everything done. I'm outside sitting with Sammy, and I thought I'd talk to you guys for a little while. Yeah, not sure what I'm gonna say, but hey. I tried a baby crib mattress. That's what Marlene uses in her van, and she does pretty well on it. Of course, she has two one on top of the other. So I have that nice air mattress, and I thought, well, I'll put this on it too, because I took all my blankets out to wash them. And I thought, well, before I put them back in the van, I'll try the mattress thing. So I tried the mattress thing. Well, it was comfy cozy at night, but I cannot get up out of that mattress. It's squishy, and I get no leverage or anything. And I'm thinking, oh my God, this is not going to work, because if I have to get up in the middle of the night and go number one, I'm going to have issues, which I pretty much did last night. That's one reason I'm at the laundromat. Thank God this mattress is plastic. What are you gonna do? We're gonna cry over things. Nah. So anywho, I can't get myself up fast enough. I keep slipping on it, and I'll just go back to the way it was. I was fine, but I just thought I'd have a little extra comfort. And besides that, he's just, give the man a break. He's doing his laundry. It's okay. No, I'm sorry. That's a woman. Stop. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Sammy. Yeah, I came back all right, but I forgot to hit the record button, and I didn't get any of the rest of the thing. Anyway, what happened was I gave Sammy some soda, which is doctor approved, by the way. I know how much I can give him a day, and he's fine. The doctor said there's nothing wrong with it, blah, 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 blah. But I have to put that out there because people get upset with me. But I was going to tell you something funny, and I can't remember what it was right now. I told you a whole story. Now I can't. It was something to do with the van. Let's see. Hold on. I'll see if I can remember. Oh yeah, I remember. Why are, all my blankets are in Marlene's house, okay? Because I washed them. I was getting ready to get back on the road a little bit. And so wanted to have everything all nice and everything. So I hadn't put them in the van yet, okay? So I'm sleeping one night after I have a Coke spill incident on my blanket and sheet. So I had to put that in the laundry because I couldn't sleep under wet, so I had that in my laundry bag. And then I thought, no worries. It's not supposed to be too cold tonight. It's supposed to be in the mid-40s. I can handle that. I'm a tough bitch. Well, again, it was horrible. It was horrible. I had this little white sheet blanket, okay? And I was covered. I had my pajama pants on, but that didn't do a whole hell of a lot of good. And so I'm shaking, and I said, oh my God, I'm so cold, And so I get one of my sweaters, because my other sweater's in the laundry. I get one of my sweaters out and, put it over. And so then my head got cold, and I put a hat on. And I think I threw a towel over the sheet blanket. And then I couldn't get my feet warm enough. So what I did was I got my dirty clothes pillowcase, that I keep my dirty clothes in, and I put my feet in there. It worked. Yep, that's life in the van. Life in the van. I'll tell you, it's never boring. Yeah. Let's see. It's been 20 minutes. I gotta get back in there and do my put the clothes in the dryers. So I'll be back. All right, they're in the dryer, so I got 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's gone up. For 6 minutes, it's a quarter. Holy crap. I thought, oh, That's ridiculous. What the hell kind did I get? Peanut butter. I got peanut butter. I gotta go to the store. I've depleted my crackers and peanut butter and jelly, and you know, I've been a slacker lately. I haven't gone to the store. You want some? You want some cookie? It's peanut butter. It's okay. Go ahead. Oh, don't hide it. Oh my God. If he doesn't like something, he hides it. Yeah, okay. Sorry. I was hungry. Okay, I'll be like that fence guy on Home Improvement. Okay, all right. Now I'm good. Now I'm good. So, let's see. What was I talking? I told you that story about the... It worked. The having my feet in the laundry basket worked good. So, haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do yet about Tuesday night. Because it's supposed to get down to 34 degrees. And I don't want to pull all my stuff out of the van and go in the house, and then I have to remember to take everything back out when I leave the next day, because what my plans are to go early vote and then leave right afterwards, okay? So, yeah. That's my plan, but I don't know what to do, and I'm not sure I can put up, you know, I can handle 39, because I think that's about what it was the other night when I was cold. Yeah. But 34 degrees and 30 degrees, I don't know if I can handle it or not. I don't know. I am not willing to take a chance with my health to find out. So, anyway, that's, yeah. And then I'm heading south. I don't know how far I'm going to get. Depends on the weather. But I am going to be spending Halloween with my grandkids. With my grandkids. With my grandkids. I get some candy. Grandmas need Halloween candy too. You know. Anyway. That's it for this video. You guys take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo.